Hi, I'm Bryan. Welcome to Ask Bryan Cheong. For annual leave entitlement, according to Employment Act 60E1, employees employed under the same employers less than 2 years will be entitled 8 days, 2 years or more, but less than 5 years will be entitled 12 days, 5 years or more will be entitled 16 days. For sick leave, under Employment Act 60F1, employees employed under the same employers less than 2 years will be entitled 14 days, 2 years or more but less than 5 years will be entitled 18 days, 5 years or more will be entitled 22 days. Employers have the rights to amend the entitlement, but with reference to Employment Act serve as minimum. For example, employees employed less than 2 years, company can give entitlement 12 days instead of 8. But company cannot give entitlement 6 days, which is lesser than the Employment Act. Same things go for others. For SQL Payroll system user, you may set the entitlement for annual leave, for sick leave or others leave under Leave, Maintain Leave Group, Entitlement, where you can set the range of years employed and also the entitlement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.